Hey, what's up guys? Serge here. So major Android smartphone manufacturers have already started to embrace the iPhone X notch, the most controversial design trend of 2017. As of now, Asus is unapologetically following Apple's new design direction. Up next, there's Huawei and yes, possibly even Oneplus, the company that takes great pride in resisting trends like the no jack movement and premature wireless charging adoption recently confirmed the OnePlus 6 for a late quarter-second launch with Snapdragon 845 chipset. No doubt the OnePlus 5T is still pretty fresh and now the company seems ready for the next flagship launch. We have spotted an early OnePlus 6 prototype, although we obviously cannot confirm its legitimacy. Even if real, it could still undergo significant changes before reaching stores. All in all, the overall bezels are certainly thin. The notch appears to blend in with the notification bar, though it's smaller than that of an iPhone X notch, and there's a dual camera setup on the back with a pill-shaped fingerprint scanner just below them. The screen shows that this device will come with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, just like the OnePlus 5T. The device runs on the Android 8.1.0. The notch on the top accommodates a single camera lens and an earpiece. It's clear that this device will also have the super fast face unlock feature. Now, the back is made up of glass, which again confirms that the device will have wireless charging feature. That said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.